Welcome to What's My View? I keep coming up with new titles. America is having a schizophrenic break. We're trapped in a hurt locker. Is there no way out? Is there no healing? Is there no therapist? Is there any drugs for America? Is there any way out of our schizophrenic break? Let's look. But before we do that, my name is Ed Conley. And I've been practicing awareness and awakening since the 50s. I'm 89. I'm still pumped up, ready to go. I still have wild and crazy views about our hurt locker, about the pain America is in. We're like a pinball machine. We just we start the day, we pull the plug, and the mind goes boop, 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 from one humiliation to another, from one pain, boom, 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 and we hit it and we shake it and we try to get the ball to make points, but it just lights up more pain, more humiliation, more disrespect, more reaction, and we're going crazy. We're in a hurt locker. Did you see that movie? We're in a hurt locker and we can't get out. So let's look at what I do is look at ways through my own practice, because I've been in a hurt locker my whole life and I have practiced getting out. That's why I'm 89 years old. I'm happy, I'm worry-free, and I'm creative. I wake up in the morning and I rush to the computer. I write on Facebook, I get an idea, and I open the camera and I'm here with you, sharing my view, you see, in my practice. But America doesn't have a practice. The practice can only be practiced by you. You can't be saved by groups, by religions, by America, by the public, by the politics. Nobody can save you. You have to save yourself. But we don't know how to do that. We're not trained to do that. We're trained to believe in saviors. From the moment the TV landed in your living room in the 50s, and I was there, we've been trained and conditioned by commercials to believe that salvation, that healing will come in some kind of a product or an idea or a belief or a group or a political movement or something out there. The cause is out there, we believe. Something, the world causes pain, and the healing is also out there in the world. We are conditioned to believe, and we can't even question that belief. We can't ask, is that true? We can't ask. Nobody says that you can question that, but I do. I've been doing it my whole life. It's not waking is not just something that is permanent. It's a practice. It's an ongoing practice of awakening, of seeing that there is no cause to your pain or humiliation. If you look at the American mind freshly, but not the American mind, just look at your neighbors. Just look at the people in Walmart. Just look at your family. Stay local, my friend. Zen says awakening is in the everyday mind. So awakening is in your everyday mind. It's not out there. It's in you. So that's where we have to look, not out there. Not for some savior, and not for Trump or the Democrat or Obama or something. No. There is no cause for your healing, and there is no cause for your humiliation. This is the con. This is the con of the modern world. The con of the modern world since the 17th century, which deconstructed the 1,000-year reign of the Catholic Church, Holy Roman Empire, and science became the church. The fundamental rule and imperative of science is that everything has a cause. You're just things. Things have a cause. This is a materialistic world. It's a world view, but that doesn't mean it's real. It's just a view. The view of America in the modern world is that things are things, and things are caused, don't move unless they're caused by an external force. If there was no external force, we would all be like billiard balls on a table. Nothing would move. There has to be a cue ball. Somebody has to move something. This is a fundamental belief of materialism. Is it true? When you're humiliated, is the cause the other person? I hurt. Who did it? You did it. Now what are you going to do? You're going to react. And you're going to cause pain to that person. You're going to humiliate them. You're going to balance the score. You're going to restore justice and law and order. You're going to balance the pain with more pain. And that is America right now. We're a pinball machine where every day we pull the little plug and our ball goes boom, boom, boom from one pain to another. Boom, boom, boom. Until the end of the day, we're exhausted. And we say, oh, God, I got to get up and do it all over again. Oh, my God. Groundhog Day. We live in Groundhog Day. And that's the hurt locker. So how do we get out? We have to look at reality fresh. We have to look at yourself fresh. We have to see yourself for the first time without the lens of the fishbowl. It's like we're born in this materialistic world, and a fishbowl is put over our head, and our parents train us how to see the world through the lens of that fishbowl. And we have to be schooled, you see, and we have to we have to rise up. When humiliated, we have to fight back. When the world bullies us, we have to fight back, you see. Pinball machine. Everybody's fighting back. Everybody's fighting imaginary causes. There is no... Now, cause and effect works in the physical world. But when it comes to you, are you just a thing? A thing caused by other things? Is that who you are? Are you just material? Are you just a bunch of atoms? A bunch of cells in a brain? Just look around. This is the science. This is neurology and the rising mind science of the modern world. Everything's a brain, and a brain is a thing. So everything is cause and effect. So what is the cause of your pain? Well, if you look around, somebody's going to sell you a cure. Somebody's going to sell you a healing. And that's the con. That's the con. TV's full of salesmen selling you cures for your pain, whether it's bad deodorant, or whether it's neurosis, or whether it's depression, or whatever. Ads. Even the ads are size of buildings now. We live in a world of con men. Everybody's selling us relief. Everybody's selling us a cure. And of course, nothing works. So then we just jump from one cure to another. Can't believe it. On TikTok, once the logarithm, if you click on one cure, now you're going to be bummed. Tinnitus is the thing now. There's just, TikTok is filled with cures for tinnitus. And if you trick it out, you're going to have to buy something. They're going to sell you something. I have tinnitus. Fuck it. I don't think about it. I don't think about it. I don't have it. When I think about it, I have it. Don't think about it. Anyway, we're out of time. I'm going to pick this up. Usually I do 3 talks in the morning, and it's the same idea that I flesh out in different ways. So we're going to kick this talk down the road. Subscribe. I'm up to 1,200 views. Would you realize that? 1,200 people are following my talks. Wow. I've got a classroom of 1,200 people. It's an auditorium. Fantastic. Thanks for dropping in. I'll see you next time.